Hi, my name is Timo. I'm one of the product managers of Mercedes-Me Charge, and today I would like to tell you something about our public charging service. When it comes to public charging, there are three things that are important for EV drivers: access, convenience, and transparency. Our public charging service, Mercedes-Me Charge, fulfills these needs and offers a lot more. To register for Mercedes-Me Charge, you need to click on your vehicle, select Manage Services, Charging, and then you can already see Mercedes-Me Charge, from which it's a few clicks to register and experience the ease of public charging. When you plan a route, you're not always in the car. Sometimes you're still at home, on your couch, and looking for your destination from your smartphone. Actually, the Mercedes-Me app is the perfect way to do so. Let's say, for example, you would like to go to Hamburg. You can simply click on route. The trip will be planned, including required charging stops. By clicking on the icon of the charging stop, you will find additional information about it. For example, you can see the charge point operator, the available charging sockets, and also the estimated charging costs that are required to reach 100% state of charge. You will also find information about the available authentication methods at that charging point, and you will even get a star rating from past users of that charging station. When you have found your destination, let's say, for example, while still on your couch, you can also transfer to your vehicle by clicking on the Send to Vehicle button. After that, when entering the vehicle, the destination information will pop up in the MBUX multimedia system, and by simply clicking on the icon, you can then start the navigation. Another and probably even easier way to set your route is directly via the MBUX multimedia system. So let's get to it. Hey Mercedes, navigate me to Mercedes-Benz in Berlin.
I will show you the way.
MBUX will automatically add the required charging stops to the route. This is what we call navigation with electric intelligence. By simply clicking on the icon, you will find additional information such as the required state of charge before continuing on your route. In the charging point details, you can find information such as the maximum energy output of that charging point and also the approximate costs. And if you would like to change the charging stops along the route, you can do so by clicking on the navigation, then on route, enter the charging station option, and there you have several filter options for the charging stations along the route. For example, you can filter for the location of the charging station, also the charging speed, but you can also add preferences to your filtering, such as the availability of the charging stations, but also desired authentication methods, such as plug and charge. And you will even get a notification on your phone when you have reached your needed state of charge. If you would like to find charging stations that are close to you, you can do so by simply asking MBUX, but also by clicking on that button here next to the search. You will then find displayed some charging stations that are close to you, and you can even apply the filtering options that you're already used to. With just one charging contract, Mercedes-Me Charge customers can access a variety of different charging points from different charge point operators in the same easy and convenient way. To access the charge point, you can either use your RFID card, the Mercedes-Me app by simply scanning the QR code on the station, or MBUX, or at selected charging stations, you can also use plug and charge. By simply plugging in the charging cable into your charging socket, the charging session will start automatically. And with the Mercedes-Me app, you can also review your past transactions by simply clicking on My Transactions, Charging, and then you can go through month per month to see what you have charged in the last few months. And it even tells you the amount of CO2 that has been offset via green charging. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and that you will be able to experience the ease of charging with Mercedes-Me Charge by yourself soon.